Hello students, today we will solve one very important question of class 10th Maths Gujarat Board. This question is based on statistics and important for standard and basic maths both. Question is for 2 marks, means section from section B. Question: for a group data L is equal to 40, H is equal to 15, F1 is equal to 7, F0 is equal to 3 and F2 is equal to 6. Then find mod. The question was asked in March 2022 as well as March 2025. અહીંયા આપણને ગિવન ડેટા છે L, H, F1, F0, F2 અને મોડ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો છે. તો હું પહેલાં ડેટા લઈ લઉં કે હિયર L is equal to 40, H is equal to 15, F1 7, F0 3 and F2 6. મોડ માટે એક જ ફોર્મ્યુલા છે. Now મોડને આપણે Z થી ડિનોટ કરીએ L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. આપણે વેલ્યુ પુટ કરીએ. L is replaced by 40, F1 by 7, F0 by 3, 2 into F1 એટલે કે 2 into 7 minus F0 એટલે કે 3 minus F2 એટલે કે 6 into H એટલે કે 15. હવે સિમ્પ્લિફિકેશન. 40 as it is plus 7 minus 3 4, 2 into 7 14 minus 3 minus 6 તો કે 5 અને into 15. 5 અને 15 કેન્સલ આઉટ થશે. 5 1s and 5 3s. હવે સિમ્પ્લિફિકેશન કરીએ તો 40 as it is plus 4 3s 12. 40 plus 12 total 52. Here mod is 52. If you like this, subscribe the channel for more important Gujarat board question. Thank you.